that you can.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, look at your plate. I know that. I have two questions. The first question is for my sister. She is a high school graduate, and this year she has taken the university entrance exam, but then she soon find the curriculum is very boring. So she just quit. Yeah, and now she wants to be one student of university of NUS. Sorry, yeah, NUS. And then she a little bit worried because she feels that maybe she may not get because she joined many activities, but just like the boy has told to you before, she has no one sealed the papers, and then although she used to be a very good student, but she missed the chance to take the NUS entrance exam, so she worried that she has no chance to prove that she's a good student, and I want to ask how many percent of chance could she has to be a student there? Is it difficult? And the second.
Okay.
Yeah.
What questions? I will answer them together. Do you have one more question to ask?
Yeah, one more. The second one is about postgraduate.
Okay.
If I'm not very good graduate, so could I apply for the postgraduate program in the US? First of all, as you said before, I have done no research, and my result is not very excellent. And you say that if I have GRE scores, I'm trying to get that. If I have a GRE score, is my chance a little bit bigger?
Okay. First, your sister's question. She is. Let me summarize her profile. She is a student who has completed high school. She has joined a university, but she is not very happy with the university. Now she wants to come to NUS. Now I would urge, it's a little difficult for us to speculate on the little difficult for us to tell exactly what the chances are. Because in every year, admission decision is made depending on the quality of the applicant pool and the number of places that are available. So the best way to do this is for her to go ahead and apply with all her results, the high school results. If she has taken any exams, any entrance examinations for entering Vietnam universities, those results and her co-curricular activities. Then we'll be able to make a decision after we see the entire set of academic records. Only then we'll be able to make a decision. But I must add that we do get very good Vietnamese students applying to us. Very strong, very capable students applying to us. So in any one typical year, admission to NUS is very competitive, very tough to get. The second question was on graduate applications. Now, what I told you about graduate applications, let me reiterate. The Office of Admissions is not the office that does it. The faculties decide on graduate application, and each faculty has got its own requirements. GRE is not a requirement for all faculties. It is a requirement for some faculties. Some faculties. Well, I can't tell straight away whether it's a requirement in social sciences. I don't know. Because, like I said, it's not something that my office does, so I'm not totally fluent with the requirements. But you could do this. You should visit the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. Any department you're interested in? Which department?
to be English literatures or education?
If it's English, well, we don't have an education program here, but if it's English literature, visit the literature department's website, and they would tell you very clearly what the requirements are for a graduate student. Now, we know that grad students have a variety of experiences. Some would have worked in a relevant field, some would have done research, some may have very good results and may apply straight after the undergraduate program. Now, it's very different for each student. So the faculty looks at each student and their profile on its own merit. Now, if you have, so admission to each program will have to depend on the individual applicant's profile and record. Now, my suggestion for graduate application is for you to, one, visit the literature department's website, and number two, if you have any questions, you can post the questions directly to the department. In the case of graduate applications, you can talk to the people there and write an email to the people there, and they will be happy to answer your questions on the requirements and the curriculum. Now, if you have a problem getting through to them, send the questions to us, and we will direct the questions to. We will see to it that the questions are sent to the literature department, and so that we can get an answer. Okay?
Yeah, but there is a little bit more.
Sure.
If I have experience, just a part-time experience, does it have much?
Sure.
Sure.
Well, that will depend. That will depend on what exactly the experience is, and how it relates to the particular program that you're going to do. So all these things, the department will need to know the details, the exact details, and then they will have to see your results, and then they look at it together in totality, and then they will make a decision. But when you apply, my suggestion is put down everything so that they know exactly what you've done. Don't leave out, because some of this information might be useful and helpful to the department. And please ensure that this information is put together and included in the application so that the department can make a fair and clear decision.